Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this information useful. We're exploring the fascinating world of DNA testing today, specifically focusing on MyHeritage DNA. If you're curious about your ancestry, ethnic origins, or even connecting with lost relatives, a DNA test can open up a world of discovery. MyHeritage offers a comprehensive DNA testing service, providing a detailed ethnicity breakdown and connecting you with relatives you never knew existed. The process is simple, secure, and designed with user-friendliness in mind. You order a kit, collect a cheek swab sample from the comfort of your home, mail it back in the prepaid packaging, and then anxiously await your results. MyHeritage employs advanced DNA analysis technology to deliver accurate and reliable results. Their extensive global database helps to pinpoint your ancestral origins with impressive precision. You'll receive a personalized ethnicity estimate, painting a vibrant picture of your family's journey through time. The MyHeritage platform allows you to explore the geographic origins of your ancestors, delving into the rich history and cultural influences that shaped your lineage. Beyond ethnicity, MyHeritage DNA can connect you with living relatives across the globe. Imagine discovering family members you never knew existed, expanding your family tree beyond what you thought possible. This powerful tool facilitates connections, enabling you to reach out, share stories, and build relationships with newfound family. The platform provides privacy controls, allowing you to manage your DNA data and connections. MyHeritage takes data security seriously, employing robust measures to protect your sensitive information. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, unlock your family's past, and connect with relatives around the world, consider MyHeritage DNA. It's an exciting way to delve into your heritage and enrich your understanding of who you are. Visit the link in the description below to learn more and order your own MyHeritage DNA kit today. Let us know in the comments if you've already taken a DNA test and what your experience was like. We love hearing from you.